The question is, prove the identity 1 over 1 minus sine theta plus 1 over 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec squared theta. Okay, so I have to show the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. I can't just write it down, the whole thing down with an equal sign and do my working that way, because I don't know they're equal yet. So what I'm going to need to do is pick one side and simplify it so that it looks like the other side. I'm going to pick the most complicated part first and try and make it look simpler. So 1 over 1 minus sine theta plus 1 over 1 plus sine theta. Okay, so what can I do? I could at the very least put them over a common denominator. So that's equal to 1 over 1 minus sine theta, and I could times top and bottom of that by 1 plus sine theta. And the other one is 1 over 1 plus sine theta, and I could times top and bottom of that by 1 minus sine theta. Okay, so let's see what happens there. I'll just put brackets in so I don't lose anything. So on the top I got 1 times 1 plus sine theta, so that would be 1 plus sine theta. And on the bottom I have 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. So that's a difference of 2 squares. So we must get 1 squared minus sine squared. 1 minus sine squared theta plus, let's see, we have 1 minus sine theta on the top, and again 1 minus sine squared theta on the bottom. So because they have a common denominator, I can add them now, so I'm going to get 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta, so that's going to be 2 on 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, so where am I supposed to get to? 2 sec squared theta. Well, what does sec squared mean? Just a second, I'll write over here sec squared theta. Well, sec is 1 on cos, right? So that would be 1 on cos theta squared, which would be 1 on cos squared theta. So let's have a look at what I've got. I've got 2 on 1 minus sine squared theta, and I need, well, if I put the 2's in here, so that would be 2, 2, 2. So I'm looking for 2 on cos squared theta, and I've got 2 on 1 minus sine squared theta. Well, that's not bad, because I know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. So 1 minus sine squared theta would be cos squared theta. So I have 2 on cos squared theta, which is equal to 2 sec squared theta. So the identity's been proved. So just to make sure my reader knows that I've finished, therefore 1 on 1 minus sine theta plus 1 on 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec squared theta.